The needle of suspicion was constantly pointing towards former UP Minister Raja Bhaiya in the gruesome murder of Deputy SP of Kunda Ziaul Haq. Now the CBI has been forced to act. The Don-turned politician has been booked for the murder of the DSP. But as Times Now found out, in Kunda, such is the fear of the man that people are not even willing to talk about the case. Who then will testify against him?
He was shot in the line of duty. But the man allegedly behind his killing, this Don-turned politician, continues to mock the justice system. Booked by police and then by the CBI for murder of Deputy SP Ziaul Haq, he continues to evade even questioning on this matter.
Based on Ziaul Haq's wife's complaint, the CBI has registered an FIR against Raja Bhaiya and has levied charges of murder and conspiracy against him. Amidst the fear that the UP police may not be able to investigate the matter, keeping in mind Raja Bhaiya's clout in Kunda district.
Even as CBI prepares to visit the crime site in Kunda.
कि जब आप कह रहे हैं कि FIR दर्ज CBI ने कर दी है, क्या कोई गिरफ्तार होगा? तो अब CBI को तय करना है.
Times Now's ground investigation exposes how the case has already been stifled. These villagers have refused to talk about the incident which took place in the full public view.
Right in the heart of Balipur village, surrounded by houses on all four sides, this is the spot where the body of the DYSP was found. Barely 10 feet away, this is the spot where the brother of the Pradhan, Suresh Yadav's body was found. Yet, when we went to the houses of the villagers present over here, we found that not a single male member was present.
The extent of terror of UP minister is such that even this family of the village Pradhan, who was killed by the mob, is not willing to testify against Raja Bhaiya.
बाकी जो आपके तीन लड़के वो कहाँ हैं? बाकी जो आपके जो तीन लड़के हैं वो कहाँ पर हैं इस वक्त?
अब जहाँ हुआ है हमका का बोल नहीं हम जहाँ
बात नहीं हुई उनसे?
ना.
The family of Nanhe Yadav the Pradhan has gone through a double tragedy. Not only have they lost two of the main earning members of the family, the other three brothers have not returned home since their last rides, as they fear that the police could take action against them.
Our ground report in this village just shows how this one man has so easily got around the law. Be it through instigating fear in these villages or by strong political backing in Samajwadi Party's corridor. Now the question is, will CBI's probe ensure justice to the slain cop, or will it be reduced to just an eyewash? Bureau Report, Times Now.